Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this quick market update I wanted to do. There's not much going on the markets, but there is some news I wanted to talk with you about that I do think matters. And I wanted to talk about the FOMC meeting already a little bit next week, which is next week, Wednesday. This is a little bit different information. But no, next week Wednesday, we have the interest rate decision and we have the press conference afterwards. And for reasons I'll give you in this video, I think that matters a lot. But we'll also just talk about Bitcoin and some interesting altcoins today, because there are some interesting altcoins and there are some coins that are doing quite well. So let's get right into it. So before we start, I do want to quickly, and I sometimes mention it because I think it's valuable. But if you don't know, I have my own premium/signal group in which I share much more educational content, and there's a trading guide of hours of video on how to become a profitable trader. But I also post profitable signals in there. If you want to be part of that, check out the links down in the description. I think we are going for, I think we're going to get a lot of volume in the next 2-3 months. So I think we'll do a lot of trading, and you might want to be part of that. It's up to you. But for now, let's focus on the market. So first of all, Bitcoin, not much going on. I mean, we're basically consolidating here on top of the previous value area high between 100,000 and 102,000. I think short term, it's slightly more likely we will pull back down to the bottom of the range here, but I do think the bottom of that range will hold. And I think ultimately from this range, the most likely direction is a move up. But it'll become a little bit more clear throughout the video why. I mean, what I've said, looking at the fundamentals, for example, and this also matters a lot, or at least the FOMC. Next week matters a lot for this as well. But so far, I mean, the fundamentals are quite good. Stock market's very good. The dollar strength index quite weak, which hopefully that will continue after the FOMC next week. And then we also just have a lot of US-based positive news regarding crypto. Because what we got today, while I reset my camera real quick, is the news that for the Doge, so for the Department of Government Efficiency, they've met with several blockchain and several digital asset companies to kind of see if something is possible. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that they're actually going to partner up with a crypto company to actually make this possible and to in general do this program that they're starting. But it does give you some sort of a sense of the industry and the direction the industry is going. And then also that in combination with the executive orders that we had last week, I think that's fundamentally very bullish. And if you combine that with the kind of macro financial fundamental developments we've seen last week and before that, I cannot be anything but bullish. But like I said, at the moment, Bitcoin is still consolidating, and the volume right now across the markets is very low. So be aware of that. This weekend, I don't expect much, maybe some volatility tomorrow. But like I said, I mean, next week we have the FOMC meeting. That's going to be very important, all right, because the economic data we had from the US, and basically so what they're doing is they're going to be talking about the monetary policy. What we want for crypto is as many rate cuts as possible in 2025. So it matters a lot on what they say, but also their decision about the rate cuts, how they view the economic data we had in January so far. So that matters a lot, and they'll talk about that, and they'll give their insights on that, the Federal Reserve, next Wednesday. So I'll keep you updated on that, but it also matters a lot because if you take a look at this, the expectation right now for 2025 is kind of balancing between either 1 or 2 rate cuts. All right, so and you can see it's very distributed. So getting a bit more clarity on their thoughts on the monetary policy for 2025 can really make or break the crypto markets. So I'll keep you updated on that. Going to be crucial. You need to know about that. You need to be aware of that and prepared for it. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll throughout the days I'll keep you updated on that. For now, looking at the markets, there are some coins that I think are interesting. Like first of all, Jupiter has been outperforming the entire day. I do think that's a coin to kind of keep your eyes on. I think at the moment, if we're looking at the price, it's at resistance, right? So would I buy it right now? No, but maybe if we get a breakthrough through $1 and 1.05, That could be an interesting trade. Definitely one to keep your eyes on. But if you focus on some other coins that have a lot of volume, Rune has started its recovery rally here, so that's one interesting coin to keep your eyes on. Litecoin, obviously, with the ETF news, is definitely a coin to keep your eyes on as well. Avalanche has been relatively strong today, so I'm a little bit less enthusiastic about that, but that it could be it's pulling a lot of volume, so it could be interesting. But that's it for now, and I put the Dogecoin logo in my video, or in the thumbnail of this video, because we had some bullish momentum after the Elon Musk news, but honestly I don't think that changes what's most likely to happen here. And I think what's most likely for Dogecoin here is that we will move back down to the bottom of the range. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now for this weekend. I'll be back tomorrow. For now, if you have any questions, anything you want to discuss, make sure to join the Telegram or the Discord servers. Tag me in there. Then I'll be able to respond. YouTube comments, a little bit more difficult. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.